Hey, this is the first prototype for the new project we're working on. It's an animatronic singing bird. The head moves up and down by the mechanics down here. The dowel drives it up and down. There's a little motor there that moves the whole thing. There's a speaker for where the sounds are going to come out. And there's this board here called Arduino that is doing all of the controlling and has the software that tells the bird what to do. And let me push the button here and you can see how it works. That's it.